Hi. Ready? See, look at. Before I'm coming and killing you, you get ready. Tanish, you are ready? Take out a note, everyone. What I'm teaching you, you must write everything in your note. This is the final session. Huh? Huh? Ink or link? Done? Your ink and link both over? Did you got the link? Will you stop playing like that, Vishwa? Small 5, 6 children together it is insane. Now everyone pay attention here. We are going to do relation in one shot. Last part itself relation we have done. So relation is exactly Cartesian product coming from that. Now shall we start our work please? Relations now. Today's last only case study part we are going to do. In relation now, most of the questions in relations we have finished. All the 4 videos now I'm going to post in the group. Okay. Today very fast we are going to start solving the question answers. Okay. So now look here. Only question answer sessions is left because notes I have already provided you. What is the number of reflexive relations possible? Very fast you have to just run with that. Number of reflexive relations possible. 2 elements are there. What is the correct answer here? Come on, start answering the question. 4. See, number of elements in A is how much? 2. So here what we are going to do is, our formula is 2 to the power 2, 2 minus 1. Reflexive relation formula, 2 into 1. Answer is coming as 4. So the correct answer is coming as 4. Next question. Let R be the relation in the set n given by A is equal to B minus 2 and B is greater than 6. Already this question we have solved many times. Come on, go for it. This is final revision session. So you must know what is the answer coming. 6 comma 8. Because the moment I will put A is equal to 6, what will be B coming as 8. Substitution. If A is equal to 6, we are putting B is coming as 8. A is coming as 6 and B is coming as 8. I hope you might have understood. Now go for this question, please.
Option B. Option B.
See, look here. Why? Because x minus here 4 value will be coming up. The moment you will be going for domain part, the domain can be giving all these values. Understood? Minus 2, minus 1. And whenever domain values you are going to put, y value will be coming according to that. Many times I have explained this part. So the answer is coming as option B. Now we are going to go for this question. Come on, see. Quickly finish this part because we don't have that much time. Relation part means I will teach you some long question answers today. In relation now, huh?
Option is B, ma'am.
Yes, already these questions are over. We have in the videos. What is the correct answer? 1 comma 2 is over. So I think this set we have already finished now. So now since this set we have already finished, I think case studies we have not finished. So till how many questions we have finished in this? The total number of equivalence relation. Come on, find it. If a number is having, if a number, total number of equivalence relation defined in the set A, B, C. Wrong. A set is having 3 elements. How many equivalence relation possible? 5. Maximum 5 relations are possible. Maximum 5 relations are possible. A total number of equivalence relations. If a relation is having 3 elements, how many relations possible? 5 only. We'll go for next question. This question also we have finished. Check this one out. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then the number of relations containing 1, 2, 1, 3, which are reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. This question also we have finished. Come on, talk about this question. Question number 11, finished or not? How many it will be possible? See, check very nicely because we have done this question already. See, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. The number of relations containing 1, comma 2 and 1, comma 3, it will only be 1. The total set. Understood? Together they are consisting means only one set will be there which will be consisting this. So answer is coming as 1. Okay? So now we will go for next question and your time starts now. Question number 12.
From option is B. R is inflexible and transitive by non-symmetric. Okay, told it. Ma'am, the answer is B, ma'am. Hey.
Now come on, let A is equal to how many elements are there? 3. The number of equivalence relation containing 1 and 2. How many A?
B.
2 sets will have 1, 2. One set will be having 1, 2 and 2, 1 and another one will having which is exactly having the full set.
That is also B, ma'am. Reflection and transitive by non-symmetric.
So now look here. Here it is exactly going to be 2 answer correct. Got it? Now we will go for R is a relation in the set 1, 2, 3, 4 given by this. It is reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Is it reflexive first?
Yes.
1, 1 is given, 2, 2 is given, 3, 3 is given, 4, 4 reflexive. Is it going to be symmetric? 1, 2 is there, but 2, 1 is not there. So it is not symmetric.
Transitive is there.
But it is transitive. Understood? And it is not equivalence relation. So option is it is reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric. We'll go for next question. Come on, go for it. Question number 14 and 15, and your time starts now. Question number 14, 15 together do. Now please pay attention here. In this question, what is given to you? They are given that A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Correct? Now relation is given as 1, 2 and 2, 3. Be a relation in A, then minimum number of ordered pair may be added for this becomes C. First though 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 is added 100%. We have to add 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 we are adding. See, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 elements added. What is the next element we have to add? 1, comma 2 is there, so we will add 2, comma 1. 2, comma 3 is there, so we will add 3, comma 2. So how many we added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we added. Because 1, comma 3, 1, comma 2, 2, comma 1. So 3, comma 1 why we are going to add? Anything is missing? Come on, check. 1, comma 2, 2, comma 2, 2, comma 2. Huh? 1 comma 3, if it is not there means it will become, now it is equivalence or not, check. Why it is not equivalence? Everybody, those who have joined the session, is it equivalence or not? It is not going to be equivalence, because here can you check 1 comma 2 is there, 2 comma 1, 1 word is missing, so 1 1 we added, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 2 2. Now 2 comma 3, see here why it is not there, 1 comma 2 is there, 2 comma 3, if we cancel this 1 comma 3 must be there, understood? So here 1 comma 2 is there and 2 comma 3 is there, so if we cancel means 1 comma 3 must be there, then only it will be transitive. So 1 comma 3 if you are adding means 3 comma 1 also you have to add, then only it will become symmetric. Sivaranjani, good evening. I made a new group. Now if anybody will not be taking classes properly means I am going to take that person out of group. That's the final words. Now everybody has to start answering the questions. See, so see, look at modulus part. They are telling that let the relation R is a set this between 1 to 12. Understand or not? It should be divisible by 4. So it is already an equivalence relation. So if any system is coming as an equivalence relation, so now if it is an equivalence relation means it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So what value of A and B we are going to put so that it will be divisible by 4. They are telling 1 is already there. So we will take A or B as 1. If we are taking B as 1, then what we are going to put? 5. Are we going to put as 0? No. We will put 5, 1 and 9. So then it will become divisible by 4. Then it will become divisible by 4. I have taken Joshika out from group. Now go for this question. Again and again, this is the last time everybody start answering. Online children also, you have to answer the question. The 16th number is what option is the correct one? Come on, give the answer here. 16th option, what is the correct answer? After this expected questions, I am going to show you. From relation part, expected questions, I am going to show you one type. What is the correct answer coming here?
But not naturally.
Huh?
Options.
What is the correct answer, please? Say.
Reflexive and symmetric, not naturally.
Online one person has answered. It is coming as A. She is telling. Let's see. A. This always remember reflexive and it will be symmetric, but it will never be transitive. In that part in class, many times I taught that ki 3 values you will take 1, 0, and -1 means it will crystal clear shows that it is not going to be transitive. So 1 plus AB greater equals 0 is always reflexive and symmetric, but it is never transitive. One short we are going to do. That short I am going to just show you. Finish this part. Now these two questions, go for it. Question number 17 and 18. Finish it. Question number 17 and 18. Done.
Up to 40.
Up to 40 we have finished. Now just answer this question. See, R and R dash are symmetric relation, not disjoint. Then the relation R intersection RD, what will be? Is it symmetric?
No.
Or is it transitive, reflexive? No, anti-symmetric. No. A comma B, B comma A, symmetric part relation, not disjoint. Then 100% it will become none of this. Now this part check, R is a relation on the set of natural number denoted by N is a factor of M. Then what it is going to be? 100% N is a factor of M. Is it going to satisfy reflexive relation? Come on, go for it.
Option B, reflexive transitive.
Everybody please check question number 18 and say the answer.
Option B.
See, whenever factor part is coming, always remember it will be reflexive because 2 can be divided by 2, 3 can be divided by 3, 1 can be divided by 1, but it is never going to be symmetric. Never going to be symmetric because 4 can be divided by 2, but 2 cannot be divided by 4. Because symmetry says now AB belongs to R, then BA must also belongs to R. So but BA is not belonging to R now. So it will be reflexive and transitive, but it is not going to be symmetric. In the previous video, we have already studied this. Now come on, this part questions already we have discussed. I think till question number 40 we have discussed. I'm going to send this video, the video which we have already discussed. That video I'm going to send in the group. But we need to solve question number 40 we have done. This question we have done. Now we are going to head towards assertion and reason. I think assertion reason we have done. Assertion reason also we have done. 41. Huh? Okay, fine. Relation function is sorry. Assertion reason is most important. Everybody, please kindly do assertion reason. The relation R in the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, defined by 3x minus y is equal to 0. Domain is 1, 2, 3, 4. Range is 3, 6, 9, and 12. It is exactly going to be what? Is the domain correct? 41. Is it correct? How to check this one out? First, I am teaching you this.
Is false option.
See, listen. Relation part. Once our relation part will be over, means we will be heading towards another chapter. So please kindly pay attention here. Once you are doing this section, you please check what is given to you. A is given to you as 1, 2, 3, and 4. B will also be 1, 2, 3, 4 because relation is defined on A. Correct? So now they are telling that 3x minus 3x is equal to y. Correct? So now when x will be equal to, domain is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now have the domain 1, 2, 3, 4. The range is 3, 6, 9, 12. Is it true? So look at domain 1, then this will become 3. Okay, relation R in a set A1, 2, 3, 4. Range is coming as 3, 6, 9, 12. See, if domain is 1, 2, 3, 4, range will come as 3, 6, 9, 12. Correct only now? A set is having only 4 elements. That's the problem from my side. But let it be. But this is 1 means 3, 2 means 6, 3 means 9, and 4 means 12. Understood? So this is the most important part to be remembered here. Check here. I hope this much is there. So this is A or B. Shivaranjani, answer this. Is it going to be A, B, C, D? Is assertion true? Reason true? It's a G. Reason check. Okay, this is assertion only. Reason part I am going to check. Assertion part is there. So I thought this is reason. Assertion is that reason is domain and range of relation is respectively the set of all first and second entries of the distinct ordered pair of relation. I think, okay. Come on, go for it. Everyone start answering the question. Can I punch you? If you are playing means I will not. The correct answer is A here. Because reason domain and range of relation is respectively the set of all first and second entries of distinct ordered pair of a relation. That's the true answer. Yes. Oh, so now question number 20 to 23 over. Till 45 we have completed. That means till here we have completed. Cot inverse part. So now we will go for question number 46. Come on, go for it. This is function related questions. Now let's do it. I don't go for it. Question number 46, please go for it. I will tell you how to solve it, but at least try this question. Question number 46. Can you share this in the new group, beta? Relation partner. Yeah, 4 parts share in the group. Yes, in the new group. Old group I left. Any zero sent? Now we will go for the next one, please. See, look at it. What is the next part question is, the assertion is telling a function f such that r tends to r satisfies the equation f of x minus f of y is equal to x minus y. Okay. F of x minus f of y is x minus y, where x and y both are real numbers. What they are? Real numbers. And f of 3 is equal to 2. Then f of xy is equal to xy minus 1. What is the expected reason behind it? They have given this reason as the correct reason. But is this reason is a correct reason? Now look at it now. When you will be writing two functions, okay. Now if they are telling that if equation f of x minus f of y is x minus y, then f of 3 minus f of 2. Because when f of 3 minus f of 2 will become what? See, f of x minus f of y is x minus y. Done? Now, and f of 3 is equal to value given is 2. Correct? Now, if f of 3 value is given as 2, now you check here, and then they are telling f of xy, then f of xy is equal to xy minus 1. So see, if I will take one function as 3, another part is taken as 2, so 3 minus 2 will become 1. Correct now? So here, if x I am taking as 3, y I am taking as 2, so 3 into 3, so this part will come correct only now. Xy will be equal to xy minus 1 will be one of the factors. But here what they are telling, if x and y is coming, this part is coming because f of x is equal to 1 by f of x. F of x is equal to 1 by f of x. Then for all this value will be there, then only f of 2 will become 7 by 3. See, this is another statement and this is another statement. Both the statement logically hold good for each other. Understood? Because this condition does not match with this condition. Here the condition is very clear that, you listen very carefully, the condition is very clear that f of x minus f of y is x minus y. And equation satisfies, so this situation is satisfying this condition and it is also satisfying this condition and this is also satisfying this condition. So if it is satisfying first condition, second condition, then it is also satisfying third condition. Here they are telling the f of x is equal to this, then f of 2 is coming as 7 by 3 and f of x, if f of x is coming as this. So yes, correct only now. F of 2 means here it will become 1 by 2. When you will put here 2, it will become 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 2, again 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 2, and when you will solve, it will come as 7 by 3. So this statement is true. This statement is also coming as true. But are they related to each other? There is no connectivity written there. So since both of them are not connected to each other, the answer, the option here is B. Understood? The correct answer option is coming here as B. I hope everybody understood this one. The correct answer option is coming here as B. Don't forget this part. This is most important. That is a condition. Condition based on this part. Because see, look here. If you are writing here, check this one nicely. A. If you are writing here f of x minus f of y is x minus y, correct? After that you put only f of 3. Huh? So that is what f of 3 is 2 minus f of 2. Got it? So that means what? F of 3 minus 2 minus f of 2 because we've shifted. This is the situation only now. And they have given just one value, f of 3. So here when xy will be there, then xy minus 1. So it totally. This is one of the situation. Understood or not? So now can we go for the next question, beta? So now look at this is B option is the correct answer. Let's go for the next one. A. Let's go for the next one. Check this question. Question number 47 and 48. Come on, go for it. Question number 47 and 48. So this is the complete relation chapter guide we have sent. Now let's see. Come on, do it. Come on, check for this one. Vishwa, please kindly focus into that. If you will go for chat GPT and all, this is not going to give you answer. From the beginning, you are doing that work. If you will do like this, means board exam will not be solved. Here you can answer. But board exam, what is a major crucial part is board exam. Can you prepare? Can you listen me for that? Or otherwise, I'll teach only 10th class. Better. I should not waste my time. See, first here, understand very nicely. Vishwa, stop that. Focus into the question. Assertion part is telling that the relation R is given by 1, 3, 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, and 3, 1. Done? So, relation is given this much. On a set 1, 2, 3, 4 is not symmetric. Let's see it is symmetric or not. 1, 3 is there, 3, 1 is there. 4, 2 is there, but 2, 4 is there. 2, 3 is there, but 3, 2 is not there. So seriously, it is not symmetric. So statement is true only. Here 2, 3 is there, but 3, comma 2 is not there. So since it is not symmetric, so this statement is a true statement. So assertion is true. For symmetric relation, R is equal to R inverse. Yes, if R will have A comma B, then R inverse will have B comma A. All the inverse element must be there. So this is a way of presentation of symmetric relation. I hope everybody understood. So is this going to be A? The correct answer is, Shivaranjani has given answer as A, and actually the correct answer here is A. Understood? Because very clearly written R is equal to R inverse. If R is containing element 2 comma 3, then what will be R inverse? 3 comma 2. So if 2 comma 3 is equal to 3 comma 2, then only it is going to be symmetric. Understood now? So symmetric condition is that R should be equal to R inverse. So if you inverse also do means the element must be there. So 3 comma 2 is there means 2 comma 3 must also be there. So this is the most important situation. Can you go for question number? This question is exactly important. 48 question. Everybody please do this question very carefully. Analyze the question and do the question. Is it done? See what is the answer here? The question is very much clear. Now look at what they have given. See. Huh? See, look at. Yeah, focus. Few days left here. Can't you understand? I'm getting stressed out. Don't let me shout because see, panic mode is that I should give you all the questions. Anyone rough question also coming means you should be able. I will start taking out all the students from the group. And only few students will be there, those who will be literally understanding what I am willing for. My aim is 80 out of 80 this year. After one class, another class, one class, another class, I am working for you people. But one time also you are not seeing the videos and checking them what she taught. Always you want offline class. But offline class coming means you are talking. Now look here. Relation is 1, 2, 3, 4. Defined as 1 is coming C. This is domain and this is codomain. So 1 is coming with X, 2 is coming with Y, 3 is coming with Z. But fourth element is left. Is a bijective function. How can it be possible? Because fourth domain element is not at all mapped. So first of all, it is not at all a function. So assertion itself is true. The function this will have 1x, 2y, 3z is 1, 1. This statement is true. That is, function is having 1, 2, 3 element, not fourth element. Then 1 is mapping with x, this and this. And one element is left. So it is a function. But what type of function? 1, 1 function. But here it is not itself a function because here one thing is missing and that is 4 as a domain element must always be mapped. But here domain element is never mapped. So since the domain element is not mapped, it is not going to be a function. Now case study I am starting. This case study one time we have done. One more time case study I am going to give you. Please kindly start doing this case study. All the case studies we must do nicely. Come on, go for it. Start doing it. No chat GPT. Start doing it. On your own, Vishwa. Say the answer. What is the correct answer coming here? See, A is coming as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is 4 elements. Now, what they are telling here is, if I will call all the students, means the parents are telling they are going to school, they are doing this, they are doing that. Let's see. Satish decides to explore this set of various type of relations and functions. This is a good question because this type of question is formula will become very much clear. Satish wishes to know the number of reflexive relations defined on set A. How many such relations are possible? A is having how many elements? 5. B is having how many elements? 4. So number of relations possible is, what is the formula? What is the formula? Can you say me? A is having 5 elements. So the formula for relation, number of relations possible. Number of relations possible is equal to 2 to the power 5 into 4, 2 to the power 20. So what is the correct answer? 2 to the power 20. Then, so here what is the next part? R is equal to A tends to A. Got it? X and Y are student of same sex. Then relation R is 10. Shall we go for the next one? Now look at it. Once you are writing this, R is X and Y are student of same sex, then relation is it going to be reflexive only? Boys, boys, girls, girls, like that type, or reflexive and symmetric but not transitive? Reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Check very carefully. Check very carefully. Think very nicely and then give the answer, please. How it going to be? Reflexive only? Can I tell you transitive case is possible? Same sex means if I will be in class 12 with my friends means I am a girl, a lady, and with me my friend is also lady. Another friend is also lady means we three are lady. Is it going to work like that? Tell me. What is the correct answer first? I just made it complex for you. Just check this one out. Think very nicely, Vita. You can do it. See, same when you are talking about same part. Listen very nicely. See, when I am with my friend. See, first I am a student. So I will represent myself. Understand or not? So if I am a female, that means reflexive means what? Me and myself. So when they are telling here, very clearly they told that कि X and Y are student of same sex. Understood? So I can be a student of my class now. I am representing my class student. Correct now? So I am same here. So it is reflexive only. Got it? Now what about symmetric? Yes, if me and my friend is there in same class, we both are female means our reverse is also same true, correct? So me, my friend, three are ladies, understood? Three are female. Then we can make a transitive pair because they are telling that X and Y are student of same sex. See, boys means what? Every boy will be exactly representing himself in a class. So it is reflexive. Now you and Tanish are there are in 12. That means Tanish and you both are in 12 and you are in same class. Now you and Tanish is there, Tanish and you are there. So when we will reverse it also, transitive case is coming. So here, what answer is coming? D. Equivalence relation. So the correct answer here coming as equivalence relation. We'll go for next one. Come on, go for it. Check. This is Satish and his friend Rajat are interested to know the number of symmetric relation. A number of symmetric relation formula is what here. Many times I taught you number of symmetric relation formula. Number of symmetric relation formula is 2n plus 1. Understood? So they defined set A to B respectively. Satish decided that symmetric relation on set A, while Rajat decides on symmetric relation on set B. So what is the difference? So if set A is having how many elements? 5. So for Satish, what it is coming as 2 to the power 5 into 6, and for Rajat 2 to the power 4 into 3. Understood? So how much it is coming? 2 to the power 30 minus 2 to the power, because n plus 1. So here it will become 5. So here 20. So first we will take out 2 to the power 20, then it will become 2 to the power 10 minus 1. Correct or wrong? Check. Because 5, first is having 5 now, n plus 1. One formula. Second part is n 4 into 5. Correct? So 20. So here we are going to take out 10, we will take out now. 20 I took out. How much we are going to take out? Check. Symmetric relations. How many symmetric relations possible? I know formula now. And it will become this divided by 2 and this divided by 2. So only options are not matching. So now look here. So it will become 3. So it is coming 2 to the power 15 minus 2 to the power 10. So here it will become 2 to the power 10 common, 2 to the power 5 minus 1, 2 to the power 10. So it is 2 to the power 5 is 32 minus 1. It is coming 31 into 2 to the power 10. Okay. Is it done? So what is the option coming here as C. Okay. Hello. I am online sir. Online class taking. Rishik is sir. Now look here. Hey, what is this filter is written? Okay, we'll solve this question. Go for it. I don't know how to answer this question. What is the correct answer? A. A is coming as 1, A1, B1, A1, B2, A2, B1, A3, B3, A4, B2, A5, B2, and then R. So what is the correct answer?
A1 has two images. So
A1 has two
image.
image.
A1.
Correct only. See, look here. You got it very correct. See, in these situations, now when such situations are coming, we are writing A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. After that, sometimes brain is blocking A1, B1, B2, B1. After that, B3, we not write B3. After that, how many are there? B4. So A1 is mapped with B1. After that, A1 is again mapped with B. Is it a function? Vishwa, is it a function? No, it is not going to be a function. So now look here. To help Satish in this project, Rajat decided to form onto function from A to B. How many such functions are possible? Yeah. How many such functions are possible? Onto function formula, please kindly write down. See, write down the onto formula, number of onto. If somebody will ask you how to check the byte. Something is getting popped up. I told to check also. Nobody is checking. All people are sleeping on it. Some system now, something is coming again and again. Some alert is coming. Okay, write down the formula. See, A is having how to write the formula you check. Hmm? So if what and all situations are there? If A is having m number of elements, B is having n number of elements. Understood? So first you check m should be greater equals n. M should be greater equals n. Done? M should be greater equals n. Then total number of onto function formula is, remember this one, total number of onto function formula is summation of n is equal to r is equal to 0 to n. 0 to n. N is what? Element in codomain. Number of elements in codomain is n. Our formula is r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 to the power r. Okay, how many times you are opening r? That many times. One time it will become 0, one time it will become 1, one time it will become 2, like that. After that, into ncr n minus r to the power m. This will give you the number of onto functions possible. This will give you what? Number of onto functions possible. This will give you number of onto functions possible. Now look here. Formula is coming as n is equal to r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 to the power r. Now how to solve this? One time we will put r is equal to 0. What is the total number of element? N. N should be greater. Then here, if we are solving, what is the number? Now check this one out. See, First is m is equal to 5 given, n is equal to 4 given. Okay, m is equal to 5 given and n is equal to 4 given. So here one time r is equal to 0 we are going to put. So minus 1 to the power 0 into n is 4, 4c0, 4 minus 0 to the power 5. This is first, plus minus 1 to the power 1 into 4c1 upon n is 4 minus 1 to the power 5 plus minus 1 to the power 2 into 4c2, 4 minus 2 to the power 5 plus minus 1 to the power 3, 4c3, 4 minus 3 to the power 5 plus minus 1 to the power 4, 4c4, 4 minus 4 to the power 5. Like this we have to solve it. Done. How many times you are going to go here? This one place, this place you can't sit and do work. Is it done? Now 4c0 is coming as 1, 4 to the power 5. 4 to the power 5, okay, plus, check here, minus 1. Now here it is 4c3, 4c0, after that 4c1. 4c1 means 4c1 is minus 4 and here 4 minus 1, 3 to the power 5. Understood? Calculation part do very quick. After that this part will become 1, 4c2, 4 factorial, 4 minus 2 is 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So 4 into 3 into 2 by 2 into 2, 8. 6 is coming. Okay? This part 6 is coming, 4 minus 2 means 2 to the power 5. Now next one is again minus 4c3, 4 factorial, 4 minus 3, 1 factorial into 3 factorial. So it will give you 4. So here minus 4. After that minus 1 to the power 4, this part will become 0. Next part will become 0 and here it is minus 4 only. Now you solve, calculate 4, 4, 16, 4, 4, 16, 16, 16 how much? 256 into 4, 4, 6, 24, 4, 5, 20, 21, 22, 4, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is coming as 1024 minus 3, 3, 9, 27, 81, 3, 9, 27, 81, 243. 243 into 4. 4 3 are 12, 4 4 is 16, 117, 4 2 is 8, 19, 972 plus 32 into 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 119, so 190 minus 2. So here 1024, 190, it is 6, 9, 10, 11, 2, 1. So 1216 minus 426 and here 7, 9. So 1216, 976. Anywhere 0 is there? 0. Now 11, it will become 4 and here 11 minus 9 is 2. Ah, after this much calculation, we are getting the answer. Done? Come on, go for it. This is one of the most important questions. You must do this question. It is needed. Okay. Just like now, onto function finding questions are very important. If you are not doing this, problem will come. Seriously. Huh? See, one time I am going to tell you again for onto function formula. You need to remember this one. See, first thing is now, whenever you are solving onto functions, few things you have to remember. See, domain element. Now, whatever domain elements are there, onto means what? You have to check that range should be equal to both only. This is the case of onto now. One means what? One to one correspondence. So if somebody will be telling you check for onto, the moment they will be telling you check for onto, what work you are going to do? Check for onto means domain and range part must be equal. Done na? So for here, number of element in A, if it is 10, then B should also have 10. Got it? But number of element in A should not be greater than B. Understood? So number of element in A should be lesser than B or equal. Understood not? So that was the most important situation I discussed. I told now when M number of element in A should be greater or equal. Understood? Sorry, I said it. So number of element in M is should be greater or equal to N. N number should not be greater. Understood? Then it will never be. Then only elements will be left. Otherwise, elements will not be left. That's a very important brain content. Is you need to remember this. So here M greater equals N. Got it? So now formula wise, I told you the formula, how to open it and solve also I have taught you. So now we are going to go for second case studies, relation second case studies. One by one chapter load we are going to take. Okay. Function chapter load is very important to take. If you will not take means it is very dangerous. Go this question. Charlene and Danju are playing Ludo at home during COVID-19. While rolling the dice, Charlene's sister Raji observed and noted the possible outcomes of throw every 10 belongs to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let A be the set of players while B be the set of all possible outcomes. This question already we have done. A is equal to SD is there, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A is having how many elements? Two elements, S and D. So these two people are playing. What is the name? Sherlyn and Danju. So Sherlyn is S and Danju is D. They are playing with what? Dice. Dice is having how many outcomes? Six outcomes. Understood? So Sherlyn and Danju, what they are doing? They are playing with dice and dice is having how many outcomes? Six outcomes. Now let's see what are all questions they are asking. A. First is R tends to, B tends to B is defined as Y is divisible by X. Hey, bhai, whenever divisibility is coming, are we going to say anything about it? See, for divisibility, there is a very small statement. They are telling that Y is divisible by X. So X divides Y. Y is divisible by X means X divides Y. Very clearly, simple way you understand. Whenever factor like questions are coming, divisibility questions are coming, you need to understand that madam, what is the correct answer for first? Many times I told you, Shivaranjani, again you did the same mistake here. Mhm. You underestimated the question. No. Beta, look here. One simple factor, Shiva, I am going to teach you. Remember, beta, whenever divisibility questions are coming, na, like x divides y, you remember one thing, it will always be reflexive and transitive. It will never be symmetric. Understood? Because, beta, symmetry case says what? Symmetry case says only one thing. If A comma B belongs to R, then B comma A also belongs to R. This is the situation. A comma B belongs to R, then B comma A also belongs to R. This is the most important part. You must remember. Check this out. Raji wants to know the number of functions from A to B. How many number of functions possible? A is having how many elements? Two elements. B is having how many elements? Five elements. The number of functions possible? 5 to the power 2. B is having 6 elements. Okay, B is having 6 elements. So 6 to always number of codomain elements to the power to the power domain elements. So it will become 6 to the power 2. So the correct answer here will be, two answer will be coming as A. Now both are correct, Shiva. So this answer is going to be the correct answer. Come on, go for the next question. Try this question, Vina. Come on, shall we go for this question? Try this. R B tends to be is defined as R11, 12, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. Then R is first the 1112 is there. So 100% it is not going to be a function. Last one I did. They are asking what? I thought function they are asking. This is a relation 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. 100% it is a reflexive relation. After that for symmetry, 1, 2 is there but 2, 1 is not there. So it is not going to be symmetric. Check this one out now. A. This one last one I am doing. R says that we, so here 1 1 is there, 2 2 is there, 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 is there. 1 2 is there, but 2 1 is not there. So it is not symmetric. So this is not symmetric. Wherever symmetric written, it is not possible. Equivalence is not possible. So one option left is transitive. Okay, let's check it is transitive or not. 1 2 is there, 2 2 is there. So 1 2 2 2. So 2 2 is 1 2 is there. So 100% it is going to be 100% it is going to be 1 2 is there, 2 2 is there. So after cancelling 1 2 is again coming. So it is going to be transitive. So option number B is the correct answer. Raju wants to know the number of relation possible from A to B. So number of relation possible is 2 to the power 2 into 6. That is M into N. So 2 to the power 12. So D answer. Now R is a relation defined as 1 2 2 2 3 3. See, here is this going to be symmetric, reflexive, transitive, or none of this? Which is going to be the correct answer? Huh? None of this, because 1 1 is not there, 2 2 is not there, so it is not going to be reflexive. 1 2 2 2 1 2 is there, 1 3 3 4 1 4 is not there. You check. It is not 1 3 3 4. Cancel. 1 4 is not there. So it is not transitive also. It is not reflexive also. 5 5 is there. 4 3 is there. 3 4 is there. Possible. 3 1 and 1 3 is both there. 1 2 is there, but 2 1 is not there. So definitely it is not going to be symmetric also. So what is the correct answer is none of this. So none of this is going to be the correct answer. A, you are not putting interest in studying here. If you like this, you will do means board exam is of very less time here. See, Vishwa, nobody will be able to do anything. I'm having lots of work. When people are kept on messaging, when is the class, when is the class? They kept on asking, but I'm not replying them. It's more than 1 hour and 6 minutes, but you people are not interested. Now come on, go for case study 6. Case study 3, try. What is given to you? Yes, you have to provide the equation. Archana visited the exhibition along with her family. The exhibition had a huge swing which attracted many children. Archana found that the swing traced the path of a parabola given by y is equal to x square. So function is y is equal to x square and y is equal to x square is a parabola. So R says that this is what? Neither subjective nor injective, subjective, injective or bijective. What is the correct answer for this? Case study 3. More case studies are there here. Case study 1, 2, 3. More case studies, 7 case studies are there. Today you got it. So now look here. First you tell me what is the correct answer, beta. Is it going to be on to A? First, it is neither subjective nor injective because see, first thing is that it is defined from set of real number to real number. So this is U shape when it is coming parabolic curve means it is y is equal to x square. Understood or not? So it will neither be 1 1, it is many 1, and neither be into because denominator part is never touched. So it is neither subjective nor injective. Let's see who has given Shivaranjani correct. Beta, how many times you are writing correct answer now? You are going towards perfection because you will be understanding where and all you are doing mistake. If this is defined this, see look here like this NCRT question was already there. F such that n tends to n is there. That means natural number when you are starting means it will not even start from 0. It will start from 1. From 1 it will go like this. Understood? Yeah. So here it will come like this. So now is it going to be 1 1? 1 will map with 1, 2 will map with 4, 3 will map with 9, 4 will map with 16, 5 will map with 25. That means what? But it is a set of natural number to natural number. But here 2, 3 will not be mapped, 5, 6, 7, 8 will not be mapped. So 100% it is going to be 1 1 that is injective, but it is not going to be subjective. So wherever subjective written it is not possible, bijective written is not possible, it is C. Absolutely. So it is going to be C first. Now we'll go for the next one. F is equal to 1, 2, 3 and F is equal to 3, 1, 4, 9. So square. Here too 1 will map with 1, 2 will map with 4, 3 will map with 9. So f of x is equal to x square, then it is a case of bijective. So little bit change we are doing. After that it will become a case of bijective. Now it is correct only. So this A answer you are telling Shivanjani, that is this case, it is true. It is a case of bijection. Are you getting it what I am teaching right now? Now look at next question is this one only. Next part, question number 4 and 5. Now see, they have this was I was talking about. Whenever you will change domain and range, everything will change. Hmm? See, n tends to r. Natural number is going to real number. Range of the function, see, range will always be 1, 4, 9, 16. 15 will not come in range. 15 will not come in range. 8 will not come in range. Here also 8 written, it is not a part of range. So answer will become 8. The function integer to integer and f of x is equal to x square. Integer if you are taking -1, integer means what? Negative and positive numbers. Minus 1, 1, it will come for 1. Minus 2, 2, it will come for 4. So it is not going to be neither injective nor surjective. So like this you have to catch the answer. Absolutely correct, Shivaranjana. Answers are now coming absolutely correct. This question already done. Case study 3 times. Okay, case study 4 go please. Grade 10 students and grade 10 class also. Now look at f of x is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2 such that f is bijection. Domain of f can be, see 100%, 2 should not be there. So r minus 2. Domain should not have 2. So answer A. Range of f, how to get range of f? Look here, see the process of finding range. Range finding process is very important. You have to start with y is equal to x minus 1, whatever is there, by x minus 2. Multiply with this, it will become xy minus 2y equal to x minus 1. Understood? So now you take this one this side. Xy minus x is equal to 2y minus 1. X common, it is coming 2y minus 1 by y minus 1. So y should not be equal to 1. So here range should be what? Range should be, real number should not be equal to 1. This is the most important part. It should not be equal to 1. This is most important condition. I hope you might have understood. Now we will go for, because see how I have solved. First note down. This is the way of finding.
This is the procedure to find.
Yes, it is the procedure to find range, specifically in variable method.
How the function is loaded?
Onto function you have to do like this only. Yes. After that you have to substitute f of x value. In place of x you have to put all y. And then you have to find if y is coming means it is correct. If y is not coming means it is not.
X is domain, y is range.
Yes. See, many questions we have done. Noted now. We will go for next one. See what they are telling. Okay, this is defined as g of x is equal to 2f of x minus 1. Then g of x will be what? See, what was f of x? Can you tell me? See, g of x is another function and it is telling 2 times of x minus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1. So it will become 2x minus 2 minus x minus 2 by x minus 2. So it is coming 2x minus 2 minus x plus 2 by x minus 2. So this and this will get cancelled. 2x minus x will become x by x minus 2. It is coming as x by x minus 2. Did you understood how to solve this question? So if f of x is said to be 1, 1, what is the condition? F of x1 is equal to f of x2 and x1 is equal to x2. This is fourth option or third option? Oh, fourth question. Function g is defined above is what type function it is? First check, it is x1 by x1 minus 2, x2 by x2 minus 2. It will become x1 x2 minus 2x1 is equal to x1 x2 minus 2x2. This and this cancel. Minus 2x1 is equal to minus 2x2. Cancel. So x1 is equal to x2. So 100% it is going to be 1, 1. Now is it going to be on 2? We need to check. Is it going to be into? Because 2 will not be there. You check. Y is equal to x minus 2. Xy minus 2y equal to x. Shift this x. Xy minus x is equal to 2y. So x is equal to y minus 1 is equal to 2y. So x is equal to 2y by y minus 1. 2y by y minus 1. What is the correct answer it is going to be? It is coming as 1 1. It is coming as 1 1.
It is also on.
Huh?
It's also on to
It is also
on to on.
check. It is coming as 1 1. On to part you have to check.
Because there R minus is the R minus 1.
Yes. So it can be 1 2. On to. It can be on to. But they did not give on to option. So 1 1 is the only answer. They did not told to check on to. So now we will go for this one. This one, the option C is the correct answer. No one. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 plus x1 is equal to x2. So now next part is study case study 5. Students of a school are taken to a railway museum to learn about the railway heritage and its history. CBSE 2024 question. Come on, go for it. An exhibit is in the museum depicts many rails. Can we do it next class? Their function part I am going to teach. Functions important thing I am going to teach. Can I start that next class? The video is getting longer better. Next class means 7 o'clock I am going to start. Okay. I am going to start 10th class again.